Want to get real value out of ChatGPT in just 10 seconds? Here's how to do it the smart way. First, be clear and specific. Instead of saying, "Help me write something," say, "Write a 100-word introduction to a YouTube video about budgeting tips." See the difference? Precision equals better results. Second, give ChatGPT a role. Start your prompt with, you're a career coach. Give me advice for negotiating a salary. Now it's thinking like a pro. Third, tell it the format you want. Want bullet points? A table? A tweet? Say so. Example, summarize this in 5 bullet points for Instagram. Boom, tailored and clean. Fourth, refine with follow-ups. Don't like the answer? Just say, make it shorter, add a joke, or use simpler words. You don't need a new prompt, just talk to it. And fifth, save good prompts. When one works well, save it somewhere. Reusing great prompts is the key to getting fast results every time. So here's the recap. Checkmark, be specific. Face mask, give it a role. Receipt, choose a format. Anti-clockwise arrows, refine with follow-ups. Floppy disk, save your best prompts. That's it. ChatGPT in 10 seconds, working for you. Like and follow for more quick AI tips.